Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for Class 2 Maths, Chapter number 3, Numbers up to 1000. And this is 6th session on this chapter. Today, let us learn ordering numbers. First, let us understand how to find greatest and smallest number among the given numbers. Let's take an example. It is example number 8 in our textbook. Find the greatest among 34, 9 and 120. Here, three numbers are given and we should find greatest number among these three numbers. Solution. A three-digit number is always greater than a single digit or two-digit number. So if we write down the given numbers in place values table, so we see that the number 34 is a two-digit number, 9 is a single digit number and 120 is a three-digit number. So in this case, when we compare the number 120 and 9, so 120 is a three-digit number, therefore 120 is greater than 9. And when we compare 120 and 34, again 120 is three-digit number and 34 is two-digit number, therefore 120 is greatest. So we conclude 120 is the greatest among the given numbers. So among the given three numbers, 120 is the greatest number. Example number 9. Find the smallest among 34, 9 and 120. So now we should find the smallest number among these three numbers. So a single digit number is always smaller than a two-digit or three-digit number. So among the given three numbers, 9 is the single digit number which is the smallest. So if we compare 9 and 34, so 34 is two-digit number and 9 is single digit number, therefore 9 is smaller than 34. And when we compare 9 and 120, 120 is three-digit number and 9 is single digit number, therefore 9 is smaller than 120. So 9 is the smallest among the given numbers. So when the number of digits are different among the given numbers, so to find the smallest among the given numbers, we will look for the number with fewer or lesser number of digits. And if we wish to find the greatest among the given numbers, we will find the number with more number of digits. So we need to remember this. A number that has more number of digits is greater than a number with fewer digits. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ನಂಬರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Example number 10. Find the greatest among 234, 400 and 190. So here all the three given numbers are 3-digit numbers. So directly by looking at the number of digits we cannot conclude which is the greatest number among given numbers. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ the given numbers in place values table as written here. So the number 234 is written here, which is a 3-digit number. In this 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. In the number 400, 4 is in hundreds place, 0 is in tens place, the other 0 is in ones place. In the number 190, which is also a 3-digit number, 1 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, and this 0 is in ones place. So after writing down the given numbers in place values table, we need to compare the digits at hundreds place. So we should look at the digits at hundreds place here, here and here. So comparing the digits in the hundreds place. So when we compare 400 and 190, so look at these two numbers and we are comparing 400 and 190. So here the digit 4 which is at hundreds place is greater than the digit 1 which is at hundreds place in the other number. So therefore the number 400 is greater than 190. Similarly, when we compare 400 and 234, here the digit 4 which is in hundreds place is greater than that which in the other number which is 2. Therefore 400 is again greater than 234. So 400 is the greatest among the given numbers. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 400 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So ಹಾಗೇನೆ in the example number 11, find the smallest among 234, 400 and 190. ಸೊ ಇದೇ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಈಸ್, ಈ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರುವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಸೊ 190 is less than 234. So when we compare 190 and 234, we find that 190 is less because the digit at hundreds place here is 1 and the digit at hundreds place here is 2, and we know that 1 is less than 2, therefore 190 is less than 234. So ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 190 234 ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And when we compare 190 and 400, again we look at the digits at hundreds place. So here we have 4 and here we have 1. Therefore, since 1 is less than 4, 190 is less than 400. So we conclude that 190 is the smallest among the given numbers. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Now let us learn ordering of numbers. So when we order the numbers, the order may be ascending order or descending order. Let us learn the meanings of these terms now. Arranging a group of numbers from the smallest to the greatest is known as arranging in increasing order or ascending order. ಅಂದರೆ if you have two or more numbers, ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, if you have a group of numbers, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Arranging a group of numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as arranging in decreasing order or descending order. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೆದು ನಂತರ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us take some examples to understand these terms with more clarification. Example number 12. Arrange 478, 340, 230, 490 and 300 in the ascending and descending order. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು, this is what is called as a group of numbers. So here we have 5 numbers. ಸೊ ಈ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ us do that now. Solution: 230 is the smallest number and 490 is the greatest number among the given numbers. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದರೆ 230 is the smallest. So because we have 2 in hundreds place here, and which is smallest compared to 4 and 3 which we have in hundreds places of other numbers. Therefore 230 is the smallest number and 490 is the greatest number. So we need to arrange the given numbers from 230 to 490. So which is called as ascending order or increasing order. So writing from the smallest number to the greatest number. So we have 230 is less than 300 is less than 340 is less than 478 is less than 490. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಸೊ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಂಥ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರು ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, we have to write the same numbers again in descending order also. So descending order, writing from the greatest number to the smallest number we have. So once we get ascending order, we can easily write descending order of the same numbers. So just reversing the order by changing the symbol here. So we need to write 490 first, which is greatest among the given numbers. Next, 478 is written in second place, and 340 in third place, 300 in fourth place, and 230 in the fifth place by writing greater than symbol in between these numbers. So 490 is greater than 478 is greater than 340 is greater than 300 is greater than 230. So this arrangement of the given numbers is called as decreasing order or descending order. Remember these 2 points. Ascending order means arranging numbers from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means arranging numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Try these number 5. Compare the following. We have to compare the following numbers. In the first question we have, we need to compare 100 and 75. So when we compare 175, 100 is 3-digit number, 75 is 2-digit number. Therefore, 100 is greater than 75. We need to put a greater than symbol in this box. Coming to second question, we have 189 and 300. Here both of these numbers are 3-digit numbers. In such cases, we need to compare the digits at greatest places. So in hundreds place, here we have 1, here we have 3. So since 1 is less than 3, the number 189 is less than 300. We need to put a less than symbol in this box. Now let us solve the questions in exercise 3E. Question number 1. Circle the greatest number. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎ 201, 101, 401. All the 3 numbers are 3-digit numbers. To know which is greatest among these 3, we will compare the digits at hundreds place. So when we compare 2 and 1 in the hundreds place of first 2 numbers, 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, 201 is greater than 101. And when we compare 201 with 401, here we have 4 in hundreds place, and here we have 2 in hundreds place, and 4 is greater than 2. Therefore, 401 is greater than 201, and hence 401 is greater than both 201 and 101, and hence we need to circle the number 401 to indicate this is the greatest number among the given 3 numbers. So coming to B, we have 500, 15 and 9. So we know that the number with more number of digits is always greater than the numbers with lesser number of digits. Therefore, here since 500 is having 3 digits, 15 is 2-digit number, 9 is single-digit number, and therefore 500 is the greatest of all the 3 numbers. We need to circle 500. C 424, 484, 414. So here all the 3 numbers are 3-digit numbers, and also we notice here that the digits at hundreds place of all the 3 numbers is again same. So looking at only these digits, we cannot say which is the greatest among these three numbers. So in such case, what we should do is we should compare the digits at the next greatest place, that is tens place here. So in the first number we have 2 in tens place, here we have 8 in tens place, here we have 1 in tens place. So when we compare 2, 8 and 1, so we find that 8 is greater than 2 and 1. Therefore, the number 484 is greatest of these three numbers. I hope you are understanding. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿ ನಂಬರಿನ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇರುವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಇದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು 2, 8 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 8 ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ 8 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Coming to D, here all the three are 3-digit numbers again, and we find that here we have 1, here 2 and here 3 in hundreds place. Therefore 365 is the greatest of all the three numbers. E, 456, 356 and 256. So here again all the three numbers are 3-digit numbers, and when we look at the digits at hundreds place, here we have 4, here 3 and here 2. Therefore 400, since 4 is greater than 3 and 2, the number 456 is greatest of the given three numbers. Coming to F, here we have 500, 300, 100. So looking at these, so we can easily conclude that 500 is the greatest among these three numbers. We need to circle that number. Now let us move to question number 2. Circle the smallest number. So now we have to circle the smallest number. The comparison is same as explained for question number 1. In A we have 333, 111, 444. So to find the smallest number, we will look at the hundreds place or greatest place among these three numbers, and we find that when we compare 3 and 1, so 1 is smallest, and when we compare again second and third numbers, we have 1 here and we have 4 here, and 1 is smaller than 4. Therefore the number 111 is the smallest among these three numbers. Coming to B, we have 289, 312, 134. So 134 is smallest because we have 1 here in hundreds place, and in these two numbers we have 3 and 2 which are greater than 1. Therefore 134 is the smallest number. C, 125, 400, 208. So the number 125 is having 1 in hundreds place, this is having 4, and third number is having 2. So when we compare 1, 4 and 2, we come to know that 1 is smaller than 4 and 2. Therefore 125 is the smallest among these three numbers. Coming to D, we have 8, 88, 388. 8 is the smallest, being a single digit number. So 8 ಒಂದು single digit number ಆಗಿದೆ. So 88 is a 2-digit number, 388 is a 3-digit number. Therefore the number with fewer number of digits is always less than the numbers with more number of digits. E, 500, 499, 498. So here 500 in 500 we have 5 in hundreds place, which is greater than 4. So the smallest number must be among these two numbers. So when we compare these two, we have 4 and 4 in hundreds place, and coming to tens place again we have 9 and 9. So we cannot conclude only looking at the digits at hundreds place and tens place. Then we will move on to digits at ones place. In 499 we have 9 in ones place, and in 498 we have 8 in ones place. So when we compare 8 and 9, so 8 is smaller than 9. Therefore, the number 498 is smaller than 499. So therefore, 498 is the smallest among the given three numbers. Coming to F, we have 11, 111 and 101. So since we need to find smallest number, 11 is 2-digit number, the other two numbers are 3-digit numbers. Therefore, 11 is the smallest among the given three numbers. So like this, you can find the greatest and smallest numbers among the given set of numbers. Question number 3. Arrange in ascending order. We know that ascending order is nothing but arranging the given numbers from smallest to the greatest. So here we have 5 numbers given, and we need to arrange these numbers starting from smallest to the greatest number, and we will get the ascending or increasing order of the numbers. So among these 5 numbers, so here we have 390, and the other numbers are having the digits of 4 in hundreds places. Let us compare the 390 and 370. So on comparing these two, we find that 370 is smallest among these given numbers. So we should write 370 in the first box here. And then leaving this, so the next smallest number is 390, that comes to the second box. And then comparing 420, 440 and 450, so we find that 420 is the smallest among these three numbers, because we have 2 in tens place here, and here we have 4 and here we have 5. Therefore 420 is the smallest compared to these three numbers. So 420, next smallest number will be, comparing 440 and 450, we will come to know that 440 is smaller than 450. So we will write down 440, and finally in the last box we will write down the 450, which is greatest among the given numbers. So we have arranged the given numbers from smallest to the greatest. So this arrangement of the numbers is called as ascending order. Similarly, in B, we need to arrange the given numbers from smallest to the greatest. So among these 5 numbers, 301 is the smallest number that will come to the first box. Leaving this, ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 321. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ಇದೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 301 ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ 321 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. That will come to the second box here. So now leaving 301 and 321, we need to compare these 3 numbers, 334, 346 and 340. So ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so 334 ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, because we have 3 here in tens place. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 334 is the next smallest number we have here. So 334 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು we should compare only 346 and 340. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we have 3 4 in hundreds and tens place. Here also we have 3 and 4. We will compare now digits in ones place. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 340 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 340 ನಂತರ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು 346 ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊನೆಯ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್. So this arrangement is called as ascending order or increasing order of the given numbers. Arrange in decreasing order or descending order. Descending order or decreasing order, both are same. So arrange in descending order. In descending order means we need to write the greatest number first and the smallest number will be in the last position. So arranging the digits or numbers from greatest to the smallest is called as descending order. So among these 5 numbers, so if you see here 421, 401, 456, 458 and 500. So here 500 is having 5 in hundreds place and all other numbers except 500 are having 4 in hundreds place. Therefore 500 is the greatest among the given numbers. Therefore we should write 500 first here in the box. So leaving 500, when we compare the remaining 4 numbers, so we understand that 458 is greatest among these first 4 numbers. Therefore in the second box we should write down 458. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 458 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 456 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ 421 and 401, 421 is greatest, so which will be in the fourth box here. Finally 401 will come to the last box here, 401. So we have arranged the given numbers from greatest to the smallest, which is called as descending order. Similarly we should arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest here also. So when we look at these numbers, here we have 456, 458. Looking at these two, 458 is the greatest, and comparing with the third number, it is 459. So this is greater now, and comparing this with 452, 459 is greater than 452, and comparing 459 and 460, we find that 460 is greater than 459. So therefore 460 is the greatest among all the given numbers here in B. Therefore first we should write 460. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಾದ ನಂತರ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 460ಗಿಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 459 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಂತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, 459. Then we have 458, just one less than this, which will come to the next box. And then we have 456, 2 less than this. And finally in the last box we will write down 452, which is the smallest among given numbers. So we have arranged the given numbers in decreasing order. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned the arrangement of numbers in ascending order and descending order. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye children.